Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop your iPhone from connecting to Wi-Fi automatically. If your iPhone keeps joining unwanted networks on its own, don't worry, I have got you covered. So let's get started without wasting any time. Alright guys, there are two main ways to stop your iPhone from automatically connecting to Wi-Fi. Let's go through them one by one. Option 1. Turn off auto join for a specific Wi-Fi network. If your iPhone keeps reconnecting to a Wi-Fi network you don't want, here's what to do. Open the Settings app. Tap on Wi-Fi. Now find the network you want to stop connecting to and tap the small eye icon next to it. Now simply toggle off the auto join option. Your iPhone will remember the network but it won't connect unless you do it manually. Option 2. Disable Wi-Fi Assist. Now Wi-Fi Assist is a feature that automatically switches between Wi-Fi and cellular data to improve your connection. But sometimes it causes unwanted auto switching. Here's how to turn it off. Go to Settings app. Swipe down and tap on Mobile Service or Cellular depending on your region. Scroll all the way down until you see Wi-Fi Assist, then toggle it off. And you are done. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.